Good morning! Today is the Big Eid holiday and finally beach day na kami. Super exciting kasi first time ko pumunta sa beach dito sa UAE. Kaya iba talaga yung feeling pag gising pa lang. We woke up around 2:30 in the morning, then by 3:30 AM bumiyahe na kami. Masyado kaming excited kaya kahit madaling araw, gising na kami. Pati tong pamangkin ko excited din. Ang cute kasi buong biyahe halos hindi siya nakatulog. It took us almost 2 hours sa daan pero hindi namin masyadong napansin yung oras kasi enjoy kami sa kwentuhan at excitement. Habang papalapit kami, mas lalo kaming na-excite kasi alam namin beach na talaga yung destination namin. May halong antok at excitement pero mas nangingibabaw talaga yung saya ng lahat. Yung simple lang na road trip pero ramdam mo na agad na magiging magandang memory yung araw. And we're finally here at Dubai Islands. Dubai Islands is a beautiful coastal destination in Dubai made up of several man-made islands. It was created to give more beachside spaces for families, tourists, and residents. Makikita mo agad yung long stretch of shoreline and clear open sea. It has relaxing beach areas perfect for swimming and picnics. May views din ng Dubai skyline from some parts of the island. The place feels modern but peaceful at the same time. Malinis yung paligid and very family-friendly. Perfect siya for outdoor activities especially during holidays. Maraming pumupunta dito to unwind and enjoy the sea breeze. And for us today, it became such a special first beach experience here in the UAE. Nakakatuwa kasi kahit man-made yung beach, ang ganda pa rin ng experience. The water was sparkling under the early morning light and ramdam mo talaga yung peaceful vibes. Sobrang nag-enjoy lalo na yung pamangkin ko kasi first beach experience din niya. Nakakatuwa siyang panoorin habang naglalaro sa tubig at sa buhangin. Yung pure happiness talaga na simple lang pero genuine. Ang sarap ding maglakad under the sunrise dito sa Dubai Islands. Ang peaceful ng paligid habang unti-unting sumisilip yung araw at nagre-reflect sa tubig. Presko pa yung hangin sa umaga kaya ang sarap lang mag-enjoy at maglakad ng dahan-dahan. Tahimik pa ang paligid kaya parang ang gaan ng feeling habang pinapanood yung langit na unti-unting nagiging golden. Simple moment lang pero sobrang ganda at nakaka-relax simulan ang araw dito. At syempre, mas masaya kasi kasama namin church family na. Kapag kasama mo yung mga taong kasundo mo talaga, mas masarap tumawa, magkwentuhan, at gumawa ng memories together. Sa mga gantong moments talaga yung nakaka-remind sa atin to slow down and appreciate life. After swimming and enjoying the beach, nagutom na rin kami. So kumain muna kami, simple lang pero ang sarap lalo na after swimming. Parang mas masarap talaga kumain kapag beach trip, pagod ka pero happy. Ang saya ng gantong unwind after a tiring week sa work, parang ang gaan sa pakiramdam na makalabas, makalanghap ng fresh air at makakita ng magandang view. It felt like a perfect reset, not just physically after a busy week, but mentally and emotionally din. Minsan kailangan lang talaga ng gantong pause para ma-refresh at bumalik yung energy. Nakaka-thankful kasi simple lang yung araw pero sobrang nakakagaan ng puso at peace. A day full of sunshine, laughter, good food, and beautiful memories by the sea. Definitely one of those days na gusto mong balikan at alalahanin with a smile. Eid Mubarak everyone and hope your day is filled with peace, joy, and beautiful memories. So hanggang dito na lang. Bye!